Okay, sorry, gonna be a little shaky here because I'm gonna hold this instead. I decided to hold it instead of put it on my tripod. So then it'll be easier for me to talk and pan in and stuff. You can see all those burnt there. Okay, this is from the tomato sauce, and it's all burnt down there. And it's gonna take me a while to soak it and stuff. But this is the quick and the easy method that we do it. That we try to get it out. All you need is just get a cup of water, right? And just go around on it. Okay? And then get your lid. And including this too. See, that's dirty as well, you see? Put it on here. And we're gonna lock it up. Oops. Okay? And close this. And we're going to the rice thing. Okay? Just the rice. You can do the beans if you want, because it's 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes, doesn't matter. And just let it go through his thing. Okay? And that's it for now. And once it's done, I will come back and I'll show you what to do next. Okay? Okay, it's just about to be done. I'm going to release the pressure from here. Still some left. When you can't turn, that's when it's... Okay, I'm gonna bring that over here, and I'm gonna do the lid first. Do the lid really fast. That's what I gotta do. Clean the lids while it's still hot. This part here is not really have to worry, but I do it anyway. Okay, just do a quick wipe. And in case you're wondering what the sponge is, I actually make these on my own. These are from the dollar store, and these are microfiber. When they're together, oh my god, they work so good. I sew them. I learned how to sew them. Okay, let me rinse this out really quick so before the other stuff dried up. And see how easy it is to get it out? That's the best way to do it. Use the lowest setting that you have so you can save a little electricity. And then you can get all these junk out. Okay, so that's what we got, was the lid. Now let me get my other. Let's see how it's nice and... Let me show it to you. See how it's nice and loosened? Because that's the whole point of it, is to make it loose. And then just put some soap in there with hot water again. And just rinse it fast as you can, because most of these will come out now. You see how all those got stuck? Just by rinsing, okay? I'll show you what rinsing can do. Just with just hot water rinsing. And then we'll go into the cleaning, okay? So you can see that I'm not doing no work whatsoever. Little pressure washer. See? Even that. Now that's all I got left to work with. See that? Most of it is gone. Now I just gotta do this. Put a little water in it. And I'm all set. Let me rinse this out. And this is how my grandma and I do it. Here's your choices, and here's what I've learned. Either stand here all day and soak it. If you have time to soak it, you will do that. That way you save a little electricity. Or you can stand here all day and try to scrape. That would be up to you. Okay. For me, I'd rather use my brain and clean that instead. And then to get rid of the smell, I put vinegar into this, and I have a video. I'll link it up here. It's great for smells, like smelly stuff, burnt smells, whatever. Just vinegar and cheap dish soap. You can start with 5%. So whatever the container of your cheap soap is, just put 5% in there. And it'll get rid of the smells. Not cleaning, okay? White vinegar. It has to be white vinegar because you are dealing with food. Okay? So it has to be white vinegar. And yes, it does suds. White vinegar, because white vinegar is food grade. So we're actually using food grade vinegar, not cleaning vinegar, okay? Do not use cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar for other projects. You can, but you're gonna have to use non-food items. That's a tip before I go. Okay, you can use cleaning vinegar, but cleaning vinegar is for non-food items. For food items, I use white vinegar because it's food. Okay, I'll show you in 2 seconds. Just let me rinse this off really quick. Okay, all nice, and probably smell really good too. Let me smell it. Woo, smells so good. Anyway, I guess that's about it. It smells like grapefruit. That's what that one is. But you can see it's all nice and clean, and it was pretty quick and easy. So the next time you have this problem and you get a lot burnt and you have to clean it right away, that's the best tip, to clean it right away. And you have burnt stuff, because through time this thing gets scraped off or whatever, and that's what this case is now. We're left with aluminum, and if you cook a lot, you will learn that aluminum and burnt food is not good. But that's the trick that I use to clean this thing, because you'll be there all day if you don't. Like I said, another method is just put soap in there and then put water, hot water in there, and let it soak. But it will sit for hours. Even at hours, sometimes it's still there. So the best thing to do is to use electricity to help us to clean that. But anyway, I hope that this tip is useful to you. The next time when you have your crock pot or pressure cookers or anything like that, and it sticks like that, give this a try. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. And I will see you in the next video. Okay?